Now, in this video, let us see how to add an element at the beginning of linked list. So let us consider that we have an empty node. So here we will add any data that we want. Let us say if I want to add 100 as a first node. Now I have successfully created a node. Now I have to join this element to the first node of our linked list. So let us do that. So I have joined our node to the first element. Now I want to point the head to our new node. So let us get an arrow and point our head. So now our head is pointing to a new node and our new node is pointing to the next element. So we have successfully added this element in between the head and the next node. So this is now considered as the new node at the beginning. So let us try and code this thing. So let us try and create a new function to add the element at the beginning of list. So I will write define. Let us copy it and paste and add element at beginning. So I will write peg. Let us take a single linked list as our first input and new element. So let us create a node first as we have discussed before. So n is our new node with the value of new element. Now we know that the node should be pointing to the next element of the head. So n dot next equals to head. We have passed single linked list over here, so I will write ssl dot head. Now our head should be pointing to our new element as we have seen in the figure. So head should be pointing to the new element. So I will write sll dot head equals to n. Now we have created a function to add the element at the beginning. So let us try and run this function. So I have written the name of function. I am passing the name of our linked list, which is SLL, and passing a new element. So let us try and run this code. So you can see we have successfully added 100 at the first of our element. So I'm passing here our list. I'm accepting it in our function and passing a new element. Then we are creating a new node. Then our new node is pointing to the head and the head is pointing to the node. As we can see, our new node is passing to the new element, the next element, and head is passing to this node. So the same thing we have implemented here, and let us try and add another node at the beginning. Let's say 101, and let's run the code. So 101 is now added at the beginning before the 100. So this is how we can add new node. Now let us implement the same function in doubly linked list. So I will copy the same function. So let us paste that here. So I will accept here a doubly linked list. As we know that we also have a previous pointer. So the previous pointer should be pointing to the new element. So tll dot head dot previous should be pointing to the new. Then new should be pointing to the head, and similarly head should be pointing to the new element. Now let us try and add an element at the start, element at beginning. Let us pass our linked list and let us add 100 and print the linked list and let us run the code. So we have added 100 to our doubly linked list. So this is how we can add an element at the beginning of doubly linked list and also in the singly linked list. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have understood the concept of adding the element at the beginning and also at the last. So I will see you in the next video.